This will keep us warm and cozy. Hi everyone, it's Shalini and welcome back to my channel. So this is the very first video of 2019 which I'm filming, and this is the second 2019 video of my channel. इससे पहले मैंने vlog video किया था. I hope आप लोगों को वो vlog बहुत पसंद आया होगा. That was like a crazy video, you know, home alone with Shalini, Ankita and Leo, our dog. Anyway, so 2 days ago me and my sister went to Westside because they were having this crazy sale going on. The sale started like 3 days ago and we were 1 day late for the sale, but still I managed to pick up really great items that I want to show you. And you all know that I love Westside's jewelry section, but this time I picked up a lot of shoes, you know. So without further ado, let's begin with this video. So this is my Westside bag. Okay, I paid for this bag also. Although हम लोग लेके गए थे बैग अलग से कपड़े वाला बैग, but फिर भी लेना ही पड़ा ये वाला बैग. Anyway, so the first pair of shoes are this. This is by the brand Luna Blue. Can you see how comfortable these are? That is why I picked this, so that I can wear this on a regular basis. This is like a gunmetal color. I asked my sister, does it look good on me? And she said yes, it looks good on you and you should definitely pick some regular wear shoes because तुम हमेशा एक ही पहनती रहती हो, which is true. I know I look like granny or auntie when I wear this, but hey, comfort comes first for daily wear. Okay, this was originally for 1299 and I paid 600 rupees for this after sale. Next pair is again by the brand Luna Blue, and this is by far one of the most comfortable pair that I own. The moment I wore this, I was like, wow, I mean, this could be the reason I could get out of my house more often. This is the shoes that I'm talking about. Can you look at this? इसको देख के नहीं लग रहा है this is so comfortable. Okay, and this is in the size 41 and this was for the price 1199 and discount ke baad this is for 600 rupees and it is also very lightweight. This can go with western and Indian outfits both. Next thing, guys, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Look at this, it's so cute. This is again by the brand Luna Blue. The size is 41 and this is very comfortable. I really like this pattern here which is going on, which is not that sparkly. This is not plastic, this is made up of a cloth. To be very honest, I got this so that I can wear this घर पे. बहुत ठंड है, okay, यहाँ पे. Next pair of shoes, this pair. I was looking for something like this for so long, जिसमें सिर्फ you know toe के लिए दिया हो and also वो tan color का हो, थोड़ा leather material वाली feel आए. Something like this. I was looking for something like this for so long and then I saw this, I bought this. And if you can look at the pattern it has, it's so beautiful, it's so sparkly, yet it is so elegant. Next pair of shoes is something which my sister got for herself. So this is the pair which I'm talking about. Okay, look at this. This is so pretty and it has some sheer detail going on here, you know, so some skin can peek through this, which looks so good. This is in the size 38, again by the brand Luna Blue. The price of this one was 1599 and we paid 800 for this. Me and my sister, we cannot wear straight on heels or pointy heels. We are not used to that. I'm not saying कि पहनना ही नहीं चाहिए. We are not used to that. Okay, so we find such platform heels very comfortable. Moving on, what's this? Oh, see, हम लोग clothing bag लेके गए थे. See, can you see? Moving on to accessories. This is the very first thing which I got. So these are clutch set. You are getting 4 clutches. Guess the price. This is only for 49 rupees. Okay, originally the price for this one was 129 rupees, so it's a great bargain. Next thing is a wallet and I've already started using this. This is my favorite thing out of all. This is something which I was in need of. I was looking for something which has a flap cover, okay, like this, because that makes my life very easy. I feel very secured about my money and my card and all those important stuff that is very important in your life, like your ID card and everything. इससे पहले I used to own zip वाला wallet. To be very honest, उसने मेरे बिल फाड़े, उसने मेरे 10 रुपए का नोट टीयर किया है. I was not happy with that wallet and the moment I saw this I was like, okay, I need this, I should definitely get this. This is by the brand Love. I do not remember the original price of this, but after discount this was for only 500 rupees. For 500 rupees the material of this wallet is amazing. This opens like this, you have to do that and ऐसे खुलता है ये and पूरा ऐसे खुल जाता है ये. Okay, let me remove important stuff. So ये पूरा wallet ऐसे खुल जाता है. इसमें कार्ड होल्डर दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पे अपने आप कार्ड रख सकते हो और यहाँ पे भी अपने कार्ड्स रख सकते हो आप. उसके बाद इसमें चेन दिया हुआ है जिसमें आप चेंज रख सकते हो, which is very nice. I always look for chain वाले wallets and you can keep your money also, जो कि मेरे पास है थोड़े बहुत अभी. Moving on to clothing item, first thing is this kurta which I got. Can you look at the print of this kurta? This is so beautiful. So this is is by the brand Utsav. I'm in the size medium, and this was for 1099 rupees, and after discount this was for 800 bucks. I really liked it because of the color, the print it has, and this one also has button down detail. This one has pockets, and this flares down beautifully. This looks so smart on me, and I bought this with his palazzos. This is such a beautiful color. I don't think so I own a color like this. So this is light bottle green color. This one also has this detail going on, this chicken work detail going on, which I like. This is cotton material. I'm in the size medium for this, and this one has elastic also, which is very convenient for me for my kamar. The original price for this one was 1299, and after discount this was for 600 bucks. Next thing is this shirt which I'm wearing now. This must be looking very regular shirt to you. This one has check print, which I really like. I'm a fan of check prints. They look very good on me. But the best part about this shirt is the bottom of this. I haven't seen or owned this fringe pattern or distressed pattern of shirt, and I was like, wow, this looks so unique. I need to get this shirt, and I'm wearing it with the tag on, so let me get the tag for you. Tag dekh liya, great. So the original price for this one was 1299 rupees, and after discount this one was for 800 rupees. And we are not done yet. Last thing is this beautiful pink color scarf which my sister got for herself, and oh my god, this is like a mini blanket. This is so warm and cozy. This is a fabric of a blanket, I must say, and look how long this is. बहुत बड़ा है ये. हम लोग जहाँ पे रहते हैं यहाँ पे बहुत ठंड है. I'm not talking about भोपाल. भोपाल के अंदर जिस एरिया में पूरी फैमिली मेरी रहती है ना, it's very cold in here, और घर के अंदर तो और ज्यादा ठंड लगती है. This will keep us warm and cozy, and this was very affordable after discount. So I think 299 for this scarf, and this में पैटर्न भी दिया हुआ है नीचे, blanket वाला पैटर्न. Super cute. So with that we completed West Side Haul video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. For more of such videos in future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell icon so that you will never ever miss a video from my side, my channel. Like, comment, share this video, all those good stuff. I'll see you next time. Bye. And Leo is gonna jump on my bed right now. I think not. एक तो उसकी शक्ल भी नहीं दिख रही, उसकी पूंछ दिख रही है. गए चले गए.